Hello everyone, welcome to the CommerceAchiever platform. Let's begin our today's session with Economics MCQ. The question number 1 is: which of the following is a cause of economic problem? A. Scarcity of resources, B. Unlimited wants, C. Alternative uses, and D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Next, question number 2. The central problem in economics is that of A. Comparing the success of command versus market economies, B. Guaranteeing that production occurs in the most efficient manner, C. Guaranteeing a minimum level of income for every citizen, D. Allocating scarce resources in such a manner that society's unlimited needs or wants are satisfied as well as possible. The answer is the central problem in the economy is that of D. Allocating scarce resources in such a manner that society's unlimited needs or wants are satisfied as well as possible. Next, question number 3. Which of the following is not a central problem of economy? A. How to produce, B. When to produce, C. What to produce, and D. None of these. The answer is of the which of the following is not a central problem of an economy is B. When to produce. So when to produce is not a central problem of economy. Question number 4. The central problem of an economy are: A. What to produce, B. How to produce, C. For whom to produce, and D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above are the central problem of an economy. Switch to the next question number 5. An economy which uses all of its resources on production of dash goods only cannot provide for the future growth prospect. A. Capital goods only. B. Consumer goods only. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The answer is A, B, consumer goods only. An economy which uses all its resources on production of consumer goods only cannot provide for future growth prospects. So the answer is B, consumer goods only. Next, question number 6. An economy achieves productive efficiency only when: A. Resources are employed in their most highly valued uses. B. Best resources are employed. C. Total number of goods produced is greatest. And D. Goods and services are produced at least cost and not resources are wasted. The answer is D. Goods and services are produced at least cost and not resources are wasted. An economy achieves its productive efficiency. Next, question number 7. In deciding how to produce, the economy should decide on: A. Types of goods to be produced, B. Quantity of goods to be produced, C. Consumer goods and capital goods, D. Methods of production. So, in deciding how to produce, the economy should decide on D, the methods of production. So, how to produce is about the methods of production. Next, question number 8. In deciding how to produce, the economy should consider: A. Labor intensive technique, B. Capital intensive technique, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. So, in deciding how to produce, the economy should consider both capital and labor intensive technique. Next, question number 9. The issue of for whom to produce deals with: A. How to distribute and share the national product, B. Shares of different people in the total output of goods and services, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. So the answer is both A and B. The issue for whom to produce deals with both the option how to distribute and share the national product, and share of different people in the total output of goods and services. Next, question number 10. Distribution and sharing of national product relates to the problem of A. How to produce, B. How to provide for growth, C. What to produce, and D. For whom to produce. So the answer is the distribution and sharing of national product relates to the problem of for whom to produce. I hope these MCQs help you in your preparation. Stay connected for more practice. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Jai Hind.